Today, I'm sharing 5 easy weight and fat loss tips you can start doing today. For science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science in Nutrition, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. The first step is you need to be in a calorie deficit. What does that mean? You need to be eating less calories than you need to maintain your current weight. It doesn't matter if you want to follow keto, low carb, intermittent fasting, or fruitarian diet. Not that I recommend any of these, especially fruitarian diet, because it doesn't provide enough nutrients that you need. On any of these diets, you lose weight because you're eating less than your body needs. You might not be seeing any weight loss results right now, and that's because you're eating the amount of calories that's keeping you at your current weight. Instead, what you want to do is slowly decrease the calories from your food. So what does that look like? That means reducing your calories by about 250 to 500 calories per day. This can mean making your snack portions smaller or making your portions at your meals a bit smaller. The small calorie deficit adds up. The second step is slow and steady wins the race. Now that you know that calorie deficit is what you need to lose weight, why not be in an extreme calorie deficit to lose weight quicker, you may ask? Well, the reason is because it's not sustainable. When you try to cut out too many calories, that means cutting too many foods from your diet. It's not likely something that you can keep doing in the long run. Then what happens is that you end up not following it and giving up. You feel defeated that weight loss doesn't work for you again. Instead, aim for about a 0.5 to 1 pound weight loss per week. This is considered healthy weight loss. 1 pound is equivalent to 3,500 calories. So if you decrease your calories by 500 per day, you will get about a 1 pound weight loss per week. But remember, weight loss is not perfectly linear, but in the long term, it will work. If you're wondering how often you should weigh yourself to lose weight, check out my video on that topic here. The third step is staying hydrated. Our body cells need water to perform and do the job of allowing your body to function properly. When you aren't hydrated, you may crave foods more easily because foods provide the hydration your body needs. Foods like rice, pasta, fruit are heavily water dense. Rice and pasta absorb water when cooking. Make sure that you stay hydrated. A good way to know if you are hydrated is by looking at your urine status. Is it clear, almost clear, and plentiful? Also, are your lips and mouth dry? Also, be aware that you didn't gain 3 pounds overnight from eating pasta last night. It's likely water weight and sodium or salt in the food causing that water retention in your body. Cooked pasta contains about 70% water. The fourth tip is eating enough veggies. Okay, this sounds obvious to what a dietitian would suggest, and everybody knows that eating more veggies helps you stay healthy. But it's more than that. Veggies provide bulk, fiber, and water content. This all adds up to satiety, or that sense of fullness. Veggies are also low calorie, so that you can eat a lot of it and still feel full. Add at least a couple cups of raw veggies to your meal, or 1 cup of cooked veggies. Go for the non-starchy veggies like spinach, romaine, carrots, kale, broccoli, cabbage, celery, sweet peppers as good options. You can saute veggies in a little bit of oil or add some light dressing. The fifth tip for weight loss is make sure you include carbs with your meals. When you avoid carbs from your meals, you end up not being satisfied, and your brain also runs on carbs, and our muscles in our body needs carbs to function. When you avoid eating any carbs at your meals, you will end up looking for carbs at snacks to feel that level of satisfaction. This can lead to snacking on chips, chocolate, ice cream, or pastries. But you might be asking, but eating carbs makes me feel like I'm addicted to them. That's why I avoid them. The truth is, if you're choosing complex carbs like whole grain bread, crackers, brown rice, instead of candies, cookies, cakes, you won't get that feeling of addiction. This is because eating the candies, chocolates, cakes causes your blood sugars to rise, which makes you feel good temporarily, but then it drops because our body doesn't like the high blood sugars, which makes you feel tired or low energy afterwards. Then you want that quick burst of energy and that feel-good feeling, so you go back to the candies, cookies, or cakes, and then it's a cycle. Instead, to avoid this crash and addiction type cycle, you want to choose higher fiber carbs like whole grain bread, whole grain crackers, and brown rice. That's not to say that you can't enjoy cookies, cakes, or candies just as a treat, and also have them in combination with balanced meals. So in summary, for 5 easy weight loss tips that you can start doing today, be at a calorie deficit, understand that slow and steady wins the race, stay hydrated as hunger can be masked by it, eat enough veggies, and include carbs with your meals, especially whole grain carbs. These are the tips that my clients. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes. Go to adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.